If you've ever wondered how to become more appealing and captivating to others, you've come to the right place. Whether you're looking to make new friends, create meaningful connections, or even find a romantic partner, understanding the principles of attraction can make a significant difference in your life. So, what does it mean to be attractive? Contrary to popular belief, it's not all about physical appearance. While looks may initially catch someone's attention, true attraction goes far beyond that. It encompasses various aspects like personality, confidence, and emotional intelligence. Let's explore the other aspects that contribute to overall attractiveness. The first key element is self-confidence. People are naturally drawn to those who exude confidence. So, how can you boost your self-confidence? Start by acknowledging your strengths and focusing on self-improvement. Set small goals and work on achieving them. This will not only boost your self-esteem, but also make you more attractive to others. Additionally, developing good communication skills is vital in attracting others. Be an active listener and show genuine interest in what others have to say. Maintain eye contact, ask open-ended questions, and practice empathy. Effective communication builds trust and fosters connections. Another essential aspect of attraction is having a positive mindset and a sense of humor. People are naturally drawn to those who bring positivity and laughter into their lives. Cultivate a positive outlook. Find joy in the little things, and share your sense of humor with others. Remember, laughter is contagious, and it helps build strong connections. Moving on, personal grooming and taking care of yourself also play a significant role in attracting others. When you invest time in your physical appearance, it shows that you value yourself. Develop a skincare routine, dress in a way that makes you feel confident, and maintain good personal hygiene. Remember, when you feel good on the outside, it positively affects your inner confidence. Now, let's talk about the power of body language and attraction. Non-verbal cues can speak louder than words. To make people want you, pay attention to your body language. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and make deliberate, confident movements. Smile genuinely, use appropriate gestures, and establish eye contact. All these signals convey your confidence and make you more appealing. Lastly, developing emotional intelligence is crucial when it comes to attraction. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. By being aware of your feelings and empathizing with others, you can create deeper connections and foster meaningful relationships. So, to sum it all up, mastering the art of attraction involves multiple factors. It's not just about physical appearance, but also about self-confidence, communication skills, a positive mindset, personal grooming, body language, and emotional intelligence. By focusing on these aspects and continuously working on self-improvement, you can enhance your overall attractiveness and make people genuinely want you. Remember, becoming more attractive is a journey that requires ongoing effort, but the rewards are truly worth it.